Square root high quality plastic and EVA sponge to work for a long time, easy installation, no need to make holes and no need to use double-sided adhesive to avoid damaging your equipment. Square root standard 1.57 including /40 mm high quality feed pad, suitable for replacing damaged amplifiers, audio amplifiers, tube amplifiers, LD, CD, DVD, medical instruments etc. They are strong foot pad that absorb the impact. Square root high quality design for best vibration and resonance reduction, offering an effective solution for optimizing the true sound and reduce vibration of stereo equipment, absorb shock, help create a real stereo surrounding sound. Square root working principle, increase the pressure of the audio equipment by reducing the contact area, thereby suppressing the instantaneous end jump caused by vibration and stabilizing the direct wave. And to absorb and attenuate the vibration of the equipment itself, to block the external vibration. To achieve these 2 points, the material used in the shock absorber must have the characteristics of high quality, high hardness, and high vibration attenuation rate. Square root what you get: 4PCS gold feed pad plus 4PCS M2 4 fastening screws. Our full refund policy backs our audio isolation set. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Square root high quality plastic and EVA sponge to work for a long time, easy installation, no need to make holes and no need to use double-sided adhesive to avoid damaging your equipment. Square root